Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. How are you guys? In this video, we're going to talk about some big money bolos. One item sold for over $650 on eBay, and he picked it up for $10. So we're going to talk about that. But there are so many awesome bolos in this video. This is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. It's free to join. I hope you guys will join. It's under my link tree in the description of the video. It's free. And you can come over and share your bolo under the share post, and I'll feature it in a video just like this. Be sure to shout out any social media or anything that you have that you would like me to share, your eBay store name. Just put it in the post, and I'm going to read you samples of what I mean and how people share. So stay tuned. Let's check out the bolos. For some reason, I can't find this one, the information about it, but I am going to read it to you because it looks like it sold for $124.99. It's an Overland Mount Evans cotton sweater, shirt jacket, button up, XXL. There's the brand. And when you guys share on the share post, if you know how to share a sold link, I do prefer that because then I can actually show you guys the photos when I read the description or the title, and I can show the photos. So it is very, very helpful if you can do that. What I do is I pull up the sold listing and then I copy what's in the search bar here, and then that should take me to the sold. If not, you can definitely use a screenshot like this. Okay. This is a Facebook marketplace. I can never get those links to pull up. So you have to do a screenshot for that. She said, someone put this My Little Pony castle free out on the curb. It was bulky and I wanted a quick flip. So I listed it and sold it within a couple days for $50. Average eBay sold comps are around 100. I have so much stuff to get rid of. So I plan on starting auctions on Poshmark and whatnot. So she probably means on whatnot for the auctions very soon. Oh no, Poshmark. You can do auctions on Poshmark too. Are you guys doing that? Is anybody doing that? I'm on Whatnot and I love it, but the fees on Poshmark, I'm guessing for the auctions it's 20% as well. I don't want to pay 20% on auctions. Whatnot is way lower. But I don't know how people are doing on Poshmark. I would love you guys' feedback. She's Whatnot, hey, Ray Ray. And Poshmark, she is Riley Jade. So give her a follow on both places. If you're not on Whatnot and you want to start selling, I do have some tutorials that teach you how to do that. So you can check those out. And I also have referral links, one to buy, get $15 to shop, the other to sell. They're two separate links. So do the buyer one first and then come back and do the seller one because they give you different perks when you use those referral links. Those are referral links that Whatnot gives to sellers on the platform to give out to people to give them an incentive to join the platform. So definitely check those out if you haven't already. And you don't have to use mine. You can use anyone. If you have like a friend that's on Whatnot, you can use theirs as well. Of course, I always appreciate it when you guys use mine, but no pressure. So she said, these were given to me for free. They sold for $99 on Mercari. And before I could take the listing down, they sold on Poshmark as well. Oh my goodness, that's the worst. Nest is a fancy hygiene brand that luxury hotels use. I can't imagine paying that kind of money for shampoo. I have a crazy amount of stuff to get rid of and plan on doing low start auctions the next week on Posh and Whatnot. So please follow. So again, she's Poshmark, Riley Jade, and Whatnot, hey Ray Ray. So you are welcome to come into my show and just say you watched my YouTube video, you shared or whatever. Just let me know that I may not remember. Hey Ray Ray, I might, because it's a pretty fancy name. And I always say if you're going to sell on a platform like Whatnot, come up with a name people can remember. And Hey Ray Ray is good. But just come into my chat and you can share your shows. Just let me know and I'll shout you out. Okay. The next one is, there it is, guys. Cookie. Yeah, it's a cookie jar. Oh my goodness, it's a cookie jar. Strawberry shortcake. $659.88. Woo! Just incredible. And eBay store is right here. This man is a bolo finder. In my Facebook group, he shares all of the things that he finds. He has the best garage sales I've ever seen. This man, I'm telling you, if you're in the Facebook group, you know who I'm talking about. Come on over. He is going to teach you a thing or two in his posts. All right, here we go. The next one is this. Oh boy. Dayanita Singh. I don't know. Sent a letter, first edition, 2007, autographed and signed. Look at that, Green Eyes. You go, girl. That is amazing. Wow. I don't know what it is, but it sold for big money. She said, "Hi, Courtney. Thank you for one of featuring me in one of your videos. I found another great bolo. Picked up this unusual item at my local community thrift. They have a section with books. I filled the shopping cart with a bunch of books and noticed this linen box with small books inside. I threw it in my cart, figured looked interesting. I'd look it up later. The owner sold me all books in cart for $5. So this item could have cost me no more than 25 cents. Lo and behold, I looked it up and I see one listed at 1,000. I am shocked. I realize mine is signed by the creator. I listed at 500, had some inquiries. 1 month later, I decided to drop the price a little for 487.12. When you see something unusual or odd and priced right, take a chance. You never know. You can find me on eBay, Green Eyes 94, and on Whatnot as Green Eyes 94. Yeah, you guys check her out on over on Whatnot too. I'm telling you, so many people are selling on Whatnot. You guys got to come over and check it out if you haven't. It's so much fun. It's such a social, fun platform. All right, so this one it says, "Hi Courtney, here's a fun thrifting from my own closet moment. I've had these tucked away in a closet for years. I originally paid what is marked on the bottle, $6 each. About a year ago, I moved them down to my workspace and they sat there until last week when I finally listed them. The bundle of 3 exotic scent and the bundle of 4 Satsuma were all used open bottles, and I clearly disclosed how much was left in each one. I accepted a $33 offer on the exotic bundle. I think that's this one. And on the Satsuma, 60 on that bundle. Took an offer. Repeat buyer. And this one, the single Satsuma that sold for 35 was brand new. She said, "I still have 3 or more new Satsuma bottles to list, but I'm thrilled all 3 of these sold within a week." I can be found all over social media. I am on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. My reseller platforms are eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Vinted, Depop, and Whatnot. Give her a follow. My name across everything is On the Hunt with Jen, except for Poshmark, which is On the Hunt WGen because of the character count. Thank you again for the group, your knowledge, and sharing. Have a happy holiday season. I'm sorry I have to post 3 separate photos. No problem. Thank you for sharing. I have never, it's the Body Shop. I've never seen that one. So the Body Shop, it looks like anything retired, guys. Look them up because you just never know. Sold 1 hour ago. Okay, well, that was not 1 hour ago from right now. That was when they posted this. It's a Jellycat Amusable Watermelon Baby Soother Lovey Blanket. Look how stinking cute that is. Purchased on Facebook Marketplace with a Bunny Jellycat Lovey for 20. This watermelon Lovey sold on Mercari after approximately 3 months for full price of $69.99 and buyer paid shipping. This one comes from Jiffy Thrifty on eBay, Poshmark, Depop, and Mercari. And as you're seeing, guys, many people selling on multiple platforms. There's lots of cross posting services out there. I love List Perfectly. I've been with them since 2019. You hear me talk about it all the time. I've got tutorials to teach you how to do it. And now you can cross post to Whatnot. So get those items in your Whatnot. Buy it now if you haven't already. If you're already on List Perfectly, if you want to know how to do that, I do have a video I did that shows you how. Bolo Buddies, coupon referral code BOLOBuddies, all one word, will get you 30% off your first month. And then the referral links down below too for List Perfectly. So check it out, guys. More eyes, different platforms, more eyes. And I know I'm Mercari and I think Poshmark and I think even eBay now. And Geek Nurse's Treasures just said on Whatnot. So if you leave a balance in your you can use your balance to pay for items, which is always pretty cool. To be able to just not use your credit card, you just use money you've made from selling other items, right? But I think on Whatnot, it only works in the buy it now. So that's a pretty cool feature. But I haven't checked it out myself, but I did hear that. So keep that in mind. Bought this at the Goodwill for $2. It is something I had never seen before. And when I looked it up, was excited to get it so cheap. And it was new. Sold within 2 weeks for 85 plus shipping. Relics and randoms on eBay. What is it? Focal upright MOGO travel seat. Huh? You sit on that? What? That you gotta have a small butt to sit on that. All right. There you go. All you small butt people. I don't know if you sit on it. It looks like you sit on it. I mean, she said it's a, what's it called? I don't know if I forget what it was called. Let me go back. Travel seat chair. I don't know. Maybe it just looks small in the picture. All right, here's the next one. Long Champ, uh, Lee Pelage, pink nylon and leather tote. Bought this new at the Goodwill for $5.99. Sold in 2 weeks for $100 plus shipping. Relics and randoms on eBay. This one here is a Fuggler. I found one of these at a thrift store and I sent it to Kat feeling thrifty and I didn't tell her I was sending it to her and she opened it up and oh my goodness, these things, mine had a bigger mouth and that has like these really weird teeth. If you guys ever see them, they are hilarious. Some of them are worth more money than others. This one looks like it was more rare. But anyway, she said, I had no idea what Fugglers were until I saw your videos. I found one at the Goodwill bins for less than $2 and it sold within several days of posting for 95. eBay store is I don't know how to say that. Melnau. Thank you so much for sharing. That's hilarious. Yeah, I recently found my first one at a thrift store as well. I did find some little figurines too that I have listed, but they haven't sold yet. This one's a WWE Lyra action figure. He said he paid $1 at the bin store yesterday and sold today. He said his friend told him she wasn't popular and they were pushing her off. But he sold it in one day for $24.99, so she must not be too bad. All right, this one is a Wrangler denim jacket, size 40, blanket line jean trucker jacket. Great keywords, piece of scrap. Give her a follow. She sells on Poshmark and eBay, and she also has a YouTube channel. And right now, if you use code GIVEME10, you'll get 10% off in her eBay store. So check it out. She paid $7.50 at the Goodwill and accepted an offer of $94 on this one. This one is mine. All right, guys, you probably feel like maybe you've seen this one before. That's because I had two of them. Now, these are artisan made and they are slightly different. And the person that bought the first one told me who the artist was, but I could not verify it. So I didn't put it in my title. I can't remember if I added it to the description. What? Where is my description? View all revisions. No, that's not it. Huh. That's weird. My item description's missing. Huh. I don't know how that happened. So anyway, this is an Easter. You know what? I wonder if I did self-similar and then I did I just added different photos. Sometimes it'll take out the description when you do that. I don't know. I listed this back in 2021. Now, I had two of them that were the same. The one sold quicker. And you know what? I think the same lady came back and bought this one. I'm not 100% sure on that. But I had some other ones that I got from the same estate sale and definitely a Bolo. I was very patient. 2021, right? Is that what I said? Yep, 2021. And I paid $12 at an estate sale. And I sold it for $148.75. And I think I sold the other one in the same amount, like same price range. And the other one sold quicker. This one here is a Southwestern cactus pendant inlay signed sterling. And I tested this and I tested this. I did test both and you can see how it's got the shiny blue. That is an 18 karat gold. You use that to test sterling. And I like to put that in my listing to show that it is actually sterling. A lot of things are fake, guys. You got to be real careful out there. So to me, it builds buyer confidence. And I think, you know, as a buyer for me, if I can actually see that the item tested, that makes me feel more confident and I would be more likely to pay more for the item, right? This one, I ended up taking a best offer of $85 and the buyer paid shipping. This one here, I just have to share this. So this is a Mongo shell lay. And I was kind of digging into shell that sells. And I was looking, like I used Google Lens and I found this one. And then I did a research like high to low. And I'm like, these things are selling. I couldn't believe it, right? I listed it and it sold super fast. I took a best offer for $25. But here's the best part. I had another one in my Whatnot show because I had duplicates. So I'm like, I'll put one on eBay and I'll bring one to Whatnot. So I offered it up on Whatnot, and it had some, a little bit at the top where some of the beads were missing, and it did not sell on Whatnot. I think I offered it for $5. And then I brought it back and I did sell similar, and I just put that, it needed restrung or whatever. It didn't necessarily need restrung, but there were some of the shells were missing. And I just disclosed it, and I think that one sold for 20. I think it went to the same buyer. But I couldn't believe how fast these sold. So don't sleep on shell, guys. Some of it actually sells very well for big money. You just got to know what you're looking for, and identification is one of the hard things about selling shell. So just be on the lookout. This one here is a vintage Kyo Japan music box. This is another one that my husband found me. I sold this for $78 and the buyer paid shipping. It's just beautiful. My husband finds some really cool stuff. He has a really good eye. And he just finds me stuff. I bring a lot of it to Whatnot. Look at this picture. Look at the picture. Oh my goodness. I probably could have popped the picture out and sold that. Is that not the cutest? Look at that big bow. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you at the next one. Check out those tutorials. Grow your business in 2026. Get on more platforms, whether it be Mercari, Poshmark, Etsy, Depop, Grailed. Did I say Whatnot? I think I did. What are the other ones? I'm missing some. I say Etsy. I think I said Etsy, but you can use List Perfectly to cross post to all of them. So check it out. Maybe just add one at a time. Maybe add two. I don't know. I'm on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Whatnot. So thank you again. Let me know if you have any questions. You can throw them in the comments, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.